fall off your bike, kids.
We did Mekong River Falls this morning. Didn't sleep too much last night. And now we're gonna head out to Mount Phu Si. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but it's a short hike. It's just 300 steps up, but apparently it's one of the coolest viewpoints in the city of Luang Prabang. So we're gonna muscle through. So it's 4:45, sunset's at 6:10. The base of the hike's only a 17-minute walk. So we're gonna leave our bikes back here, just walk over there. Alright, it's 4:55. The light is looking nice. We're almost to the base, and then it doesn't look like it can actually be a mountain. I think it's probably just like a hill, but it's 300 steps. Shrub, you ready?
Born ready.
The light is really nice. I'm probably gonna run up there and try to throw the drone up, but the airport is like a mile away, so I'm not really sure. We'll see what happens when I pull up the app. No, I think it's the next one. Yeah, no, next one. Because you can see all the way up for a second. And right now they're setting up the night market, so we'll be able to feast on some good food once we're done in the streets. And here we are. Here she is. At the start, at least. All right, 4:56 starting. See how long it takes. There's no way that's the top. There's no way that was 300 steps. $20,000 kip to get in. It's about $2.20. See the top. Extremely short hike, but straight up sucks. $5:02, 6 minutes.
It's not a hike, it's more just like stair.
Yeah. See, that stuff's okay. How they hike off all that.
We're here.
Pretty sick. There's a lot of people. What do you think?
Unreal.
Worth it, for sure.
Piazzale Michelangelo of Laos.
This is a sick view up here.
Kevin and I climbed to the top of Mount Phu Si to see the sunset, and there was about a 10-15 minute period where I couldn't find Kev. I'm just standing up there, and I'm just thinking, like, where could this man have gone? There is, you know, only so much space. Long story short, I see a drone flying from the left angle towards the right, and I'm like, huh. It all makes sense now, and I found Kev. Say what's up, Kev.
What's up? Alright guys, so we got the drone up, no issues. Got some cool camera shots, not really able to get too many camera shots solely because of how high you are and you're kind of in the trees, but the drone shots came out really cool, the videos and the photos. Gonna keep this one short, but just kind of like a little guide for those that are traveling to Laos anytime soon. This is definitely something to put on your to-do list and definitely a sunset thing.
100%.
100%?
100%.
Right.
300.
Hope you guys enjoyed.